Hey guys, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're taking a look at the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 5G and Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus 5G tablets. Let's take a look inside the box and check out these beautiful and powerful new 5G-enabled tablets coming to T-Mobile, the largest nationwide 5G network. Opening the box, you'll find the new Tab S7 or Tab S7 Plus, and everything you need is right here. Documentation and warranty information, and most importantly, your new T-Mobile SIM card. It's got a redesigned S Pen, adaptive fast charger, and USB-C charging cable. Let's take a quick look at the specs for the Tab S7 5G. And a look at the Tab S7 Plus 5G shows a larger screen, bigger battery, and in-screen fingerprint sensor. Both feature a powerful Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, super fast charging capabilities, beautiful design, and possibly the most powerful pen ever, and T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. The Tab S7 5G and Tab S7 Plus 5G are great for gaming, watching your favorite content, and your only challenge will be which one to choose. Amazing displays, great design, and America's largest 5G network. The new Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 5G and Galaxy Tab S7 Plus 5G. Check them out at your favorite T-Mobile store or T-Mobile.com. This has been Des for T-Mobile. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.